Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to add stickers and quizzes on Facebook. So first of all, you click on the Facebook app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. At the top right, you'll be given three icons: the plus sign, the search icon, and the messaging icon. Here you click on the plus icon and then you click on story. You choose any picture of your choice. I'll be choosing this. Continue, and then you can add stickers using the first icon above. You can scroll down to see any sticker of your choice, or you can choose GIFs and search here, or choose emojis. Let's go with this sticker. You can expand using two fingers and reduce using two fingers. So you can also add text here. And then for you to add quizzes, you come to the sticker section and then you can choose poll. You can ask a question like, are you happy? Yes, I am. No, I am not. And there you have it, a sticker and a quiz. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.